we can all never ever forget. So let's go back and take a little sneak peek into how my past year went by.
A great start with a beautiful Darjeeling trip, a new baby in the house, and my fitness routines. Varun and I got dressed up, went around, and we really had some amazing events to attend to. And I got some great experiences. Traveled around Pune, and I met Arushi. And I also met Pooja. After that, I also met Amit and JD. With winter bloomings in my garden, we again head out on a road trip with my sister and my niece. It was a beautiful year. In March, I was ready for my third trip, and that was to Himachal Pradesh with Amit and JD. What a beautiful, lovely time we had. And I also got to visit Delhi and meet Neeraj. And then the world stood still, and we all underwent a complete world lockdown. I took this opportunity to work on my fitness and on myself. And yes, I did achieve a lot of what I was looking for. I could have achieved more, provided they were not there to disturb me. In this lockdown, I cooked a lot, I danced a lot, enjoyed a lot. I even did some t-shirt challenge in which it was supposedly all about your arm strength. Then slowly we moved out. I moved to Jhansi, celebrated my birthday here. Slowly we started the 100 days challenge. It was a beautiful 100 days running challenge, especially with Bozo. I also spent a lot of time decorating our beautiful home, creating a space where there is just love and warmth. I spent a lot of time gardening, which is my ultimate love, and creating beautiful green spaces in my home. I traveled to Uttarakhand for work. I had a chance to visit Badrinath, visit Mana village. I went on a trek to Vasudhara Falls. In Madhya Pradesh, I visited the Barua Sagar Fort, Orcha Fort, and also Chanderi. Celebrated Dussehra, got a broken toe, yet managed to do some bhangra. After all, it was a beautiful festival of love and light. Anniversary celebrations, Christmas celebrations, and we welcomed the new year.
If I may say, is a year that we got to learn so much. And the most important lesson being, you unlearn everything that you have learned till now. Isn't that so beautiful and also so strange? But I also believe 2020 has given us enough reasons to love it. It has taught us how important it is to keep your family and friends together. It has taught us how important it is to have a loving and a compassionate heart, to love and be warm to each other, and that is how we all survived this year. I also believe that the most important thing that 2020 taught us was pause. In this fast-paced life, we forgot to notice, to cherish all those little beautiful moments which just swept past us through. And I believe that 2020 has given all of us such beautiful moments which we can cherish and keep in our hearts for forever. So let's look back at this year with love and compassion and warm memories. I am definitely going to do that.